Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating permissions and picking a resource group. You need an application insights resource in the same region. Once created, instrument your app by installing the appropriate SDK or enabling the Azure Monitor agent because that captures telemetry. Make sure to add the instrumentation key or connection string to your app settings. After deployment, verify basic telemetry flows, request, exception, and dependency data, so you know the pipeline is live before moving to deeper diagnostics. Once basic telemetry arrives, enable custom events and distributed tracing to connect requests across services. This reveals root causes. You should configure metric collection and define sampling rules to balance detail versus cost. Then use log analytics and Custo query language to build ad hoc queries and charts that surface slow endpoints, error rates, and throughput. Make sure to save frequent queries as pinned dashboards and set alerts on key metrics so you get notified when behavior deviates from. To complete setup, create alerts from metrics and log queries and attach action groups for email, Teams, or automation runbooks so you respond quickly. Build dashboards and workbooks tailored to developers and ops. They keep stakeholders aligned. When things go wrong, use end-to-end traces, exception snapshots, and the profiler to pinpoint slow code or failing dependencies. If telemetry is missing, check SDK initialization, connection string, sampling settings, and network egress. Often a misconfigured key or blocked endpoint is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.